So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can repost someone else's post on Instagram feed. So for that reason, let me just open up Instagram, and there, as you can see, there are lots of posts right over here. So if I want to repost one of these, like I want to share this Cristiano's post, so for that, I will go and simply tap on this button, which is the repost button. So if you tap on that, simply we need to go to the profile and tap on this repost option, and as you can see, this post has been reposted on my Instagram feed. So that's how you can simply repost someone else's post on Instagram feed, and everyone else, like any people who is following you, can see your repost. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.